That's a pretty little weed, isn't it? Looks like it's a member of the mint family. It's the nearest thing to forget-me-nots out this way, where it's very dry. Pretty little thing. It really is. I like it. I like pretty weeds. I do like pretty weeds. Let's see. There's some more. What a nice weed. So pretty. The nearest thing to a forget-me-not out this way. It's too hot and dry for forget-me-nots out here without lots of water. Yes, it is a very pretty little thing, isn't it? I think I've just managed to focus this camera properly. I should remember how I did it, shouldn't I? Aren't they pretty? So blue. I know a boy who watches my channel. He's got a blue front door. That's nice.